Hi guys, today we're going to talk about getting your lawnmower ready for cutting your grass. It's been a long winter. Actually here it hasn't been that long of a winter. But when you leave these things set up, there's a lot of problems that can go into that. The gas, the battery, all kinds of things. So let's go over it. Let's talk about why and how you get your lawnmower started after it's been sitting. Well, the first thing you're going to have to do is get everything off of it that you've been sitting on it for the whole winter. And the number one reason your lawnmower is not going to start at the beginning of the year is your battery is going to be dead. So if you weren't smart enough to take it out and put it on the conditioner, then you're going to need to either charge it or buy you a new battery. And then just make sure you got gas in it. Hopefully you drained your gas out before the summer was over. You just turn off your fuel valve, let it run until it dies. But those are the two things you gotta look at when you're starting it up for the first time. So we got ours right here finishing up its charge. So it's nice to have a charger and then just a conditioner that keeps your batteries just charged, trickle charges them. We're gonna see if this thing starts up. I did not drain the gas out. I didn't do anything, so I'm just hoping she starts. Like I said, my original plan was to just start it every 2 weeks or every week, and after about a month that went down the hill. So this thing hasn't started for a couple months. Let me clean it off, we'll push it out and see if we can get it started. Next thing we need to do is just check it over, just look at it. We got some low tires that we need to fill up. We might not even be doing any mowing today. Look at that bad boy. So we're gonna see, hopefully it's just a just low. It was leaking last year. Check your oil, depending on what kind of vehicle or what kind of mower you have. Check your oil, make sure it's all right. I just did a tune-up on this thing last year, so we changed the oil and the fuel filter on it just last year. So I'm not really worried about all that, but you want to check all that. I'm going to check the oil anyway, make sure she's ready to go. Remember, when you go to start it, there's several safety features. Your lawnmower may have you either got to have the braking gauge, you got to be sitting down on it, can't be in gear, blades can't be engaged, all those types of things. If you want to see if you are getting your lawnmower to start but it's dying when you engage the blades, check out my other video. I'll show you what might be wrong. But those are all things you want to do. So before you turn that key, make sure she's not in gear, the blades aren't engaged. Make sure you got your brake set, and it's best to be just go ahead and sit in the seat. That way you got all the safety interlocks met, and hopefully she'll just crank right up for you. Well, we got the battery in, got the brake sitting in the seat. Remember, I did not drain the gas out of this last year, and I don't know if I got a good charge on the battery, but let's see what she does. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this choke. Got the choke in, see if she'll start up for us. At least she's turning over. So that means we got our battery back. We'll just see if we can give her a taste of gas. We're just going to give it a little bit of gas, kind of see if we can get some gas in the system. Now, one thing is I do use ethanol-free gas, so hopefully my carburetor's not that gummed up, and It is an old tractor, boys. We've been through it. See, you're sputtering and smoking over there. Let's go get that choke off of it. My choke sticks a little bit, that's why you see me reaching my hand up underneath there. But you can see how it started acting. Get the choke off, and now she's running just fine. Might be old, but it still runs if you kind of take care of it. And like I said, pay the little extra for the ethanol-free gas, and you don't have to worry about the carburetor as much. Now, if it didn't start, the first place you might want to check, you know, after you got the oil checked, you've made sure you've met all the safety interlocks, the brake, the seat. A lot of times, if you're not sitting in the seat, some of these lawnmowers, they won't even start up. Mine, it's either the seat or the brake. So if I have the brake or the seat engaged, it'll let me, you know, it'll still start up. So once you get all those safety interlocks met, if you still, you know, you get it turning over, you know your battery's good, but it's just not starting for you. At that point, you may want to check either your spark plug. You're gonna have to take that spark plug out, you know, maybe clean it off a little bit, or the carburetor. Most likely, if you're just putting normal gas in it, you've got your carburetor sticking a little bit, so you just need to take it apart, put it back together again, and you should be good to go. Other than that, hopefully it just starts up for you. I mean, they really should start up. There's nothing to keep them from starting up except, like I said, that carburetor sticking. These engines run pretty good. A lot of these riding mowers got, you know, good engines in them. They're gonna start up for you. All right, if you got any questions, let me know. Maybe if you guys are having a big problem with it, let me know what your problems are and how you corrected it. You know, just leave us a comment to help everybody out. We'll get it. Now I'm gonna have to get them tires. I should have took a little more care, but like I said, one of those tires was bad anyway, so I should have fixed it over the winter, but that got pushed back and now I need it and I can't use it, I don't think. So we'll see. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.